Are you the person who wakes up early every day and... Oh, wait. Once more. Are you the person who goes to sleep every night saying, कल उठ के मैं अपनी जिंदगी पलट दूंगा, and that day never comes to you, nor do you go to it? Well, then you're at the right place. You need a to-do list. Watch this video till the end for an easy hack that will help you to get this shit done. Well, hello there. Welcome to Srinidhi Vinod. So the first question that you might have is, what is the to-do list?
समझ गए, आगे बोल।
Okay. To-do list is a list of things that you need to get done in a time frame.
ओह चल अपने बाप को मत सिखा।
अब चुप रहेगा कि साले जूते निकालूं तेरे। So as I was saying, there are many custom-made to-do lists that people tend to use, but this one is something that is very basic and beginner level, and you might follow it and also continue to have this habit in your life. Well, let's begin. Let's divide our goals into 3 steps: monthly goals, weekly goals, and daily goals. Well, you can even have yearly, but it's good if you don't try to look at the bigger picture just right now. Let's start with monthly, and once you get used to this entire true thing, then you can step up to the yearly. The monthly goal is the target you want to achieve by the end of the month, and the goal is divided into 4 weeks, and similarly it is divided into 30 days or 31 days. एक बात बता, अगर मेरे एक से ज्यादा गोल हो तो? वाह भाई, बड़े अच्छे सवाल पूछने लग गए। बोल क्या लेगा? सेल्फी या ऑटोग्राफ? वो डंडा कहाँ है रखा? अरे भाई। Continue. Okay. When making a to-do list is very simple. Have a goal for the month, that is your monthly goal. Have a goal for the week, that is your weekly goal, and have a goal for the day, that is your daily. How to set it up? Simple as this. Decide your 2 monthly goals. For now, 2, and you can update it as you go forward. And decide 2 weekly goals. That is, you divide these monthly goals into weeks. Start with the first week itself and don't focus on the next 3 weeks. Just try with the first week. Then, the daily goal. The first day. What do you need to get done in the first day? Plan for those or the time you want these 2 tasks to be done. So for an example, I am taking YouTube and studies as my example. Well, studies is not something that I do, so caution. Anyways, so 9 to 10, I finish my YouTube work. And from 12 to 1, I have studies. Make sure you put some gap in between and after that too, and have rest times so that you don't get cranked up, and that's a very important precaution that I'll tell you now. While going through this process, make sure you don't crank up your time. Too many stuff in one day can make things hectic for you and simultaneously make you less productive.
समझ गया।
अच्छा तू समझ गया? सही है फिर तो। So that's about it for today's video. Oh, wait, the 3 hacks. Well, these are the 3 apps that you can have on your desktop or even your phone while making it easy for you to make a to-do list. The 3 apps that you can use is Todoist, TickTick, and Microsoft To Do. These apps will make sure that you are more focused towards the to-do list and not trying to navigate through the app and searching for more features or something. It's very simple to use, so I prefer you should try them out. Oh, Srinidhi, सुन, चल आजा प्रमोशन कर दे और अपना इंट्रो भी दे दे भाई, सबको पता चलना चाहिए ना तू है कौन। आजा। So दोस्तों, मेरा नेम एवरेज श्रीनिधि करके भाई के चैनल पे आ गया भाई। मैं रहेगा इधर ही। अपन को देखने का तो लाइक मारो, शेयर करो, सब्सक्राइब करो चैनल को श्रीनिधि विनोद नामा करके। इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक और क्या स्नैपचैट, उस पर भी है भाई। काम नहीं इसको कर नहीं मस्त काम करता भाई। बस और क्या बोलने का, चलो अपना काम करो। टू डू लिस्ट वो कुछ कोई सिखाया वो मैं भी करता। कंप्यूटर